I'm Mark from Boston Magneteers, and today I've decided I wanted to fix my beast. As you can see, I've made quite a bit of a mess of it. I tried to throw it really hard and it obviously landed quite heavy and chipped out of there. There's nothing wrong with it, it still works. As you can see, it still works, but I thought I would make a video and show you what's actually inside the beast, if it's one magnet or two, because I know a lot of people ask that question, and just a quick repair really. Just bear in mind, this is the original. I don't know what the new one's like. I have asked questions to see if it's the same sort of thing or not, so let's see what happens. It's quite an easy job really. These are the tools I'm going to be using. We've got a 17mm spanner, a 17mm socket, just a flat bladed screwdriver, a scraper and some araldite, just to put an epoxy resin coating over the top to hopefully hold the magnet together to stop it breaking up anymore. Let's get on with it. First job is to get the bolt out. As you can see with mine, I did replace the original bolt with a longer one because I felt that the original didn't go through far enough. Next, you want to grab your screwdriver, put it in there, lever the clamp and put your screwdriver in, put your spanner inside just to keep the clamp wedged open. Now it's just some brute strength. Please mind your fingers if you do this. This is very dangerous with this strength magnet. We'll leave it there for a minute. As you can see, it is true what they say about the online magnets beast. It is actually one solid magnet, not two stuck together. Please be careful doing this if you do it. So as you can see, that's what we're going to be trying to cover in epoxy resin today, just to hopefully hold the magnet together so I get a little bit more life left out of it. Let's put that on the vise now. We'll remove the clamp out of the way as we don't need this at the moment. Put it to the side. Next, I just want to prep the surface just to make sure that the magnet is clean for the resin to stick to. For this, I've just used a little bit of, obviously everybody knows what that product is. I've just used a bit of that at the moment, and then I always like to clean things with a solvent, so I'll probably just use some solvent just to clean it off. For the next step, I want to be making sure that I dispense equal amounts from both tubes onto a clean surface, and then I need to mix for 30 seconds. For this job I actually decided to use a drywall metal scraper rather than a plastic one because I thought it might be a bit easier. Maybe I should put it on with the plastic one first and then smear off with the metal one after. It's easier to clean it now than when it hardens and you have to scrape it all off. I've just been tidying up and I was quite surprised at what this magnet's actually done to my vise. It's made the whole vise magnetic now. If you watch this, look. The blade is just stuck. Obviously not very strong, but it still takes the blade even back here. I think you can agree that's quite still a powerful magnet. I know there's another version out now, but this original is still a pretty good magnet. I think while that resin's drying, I think I'm going to clean up the clamp. So I'll take it over to my wire brush and give her a bit of a clean. Also, when using these machines, please remember to use your glasses, your ear defenders, and your Snoopy apron. Here I am, look, safety glasses, ear defenders and Snoopy apron. Let's go. Gloves on. That looks a lot better now, a lot more shinier. Just got to clean the inside with the normal wire brush. See, I've just got a dint here, quite a bad dint. So I'm just going to follow. Don't know if you can see this, but all them filings that I've just been doing have all got magnetised, all because the magnet is magnetising the whole thing. It's going through the actual clamp now, and we can still hold a blade. Oh, you caught me. I couldn't really put all the effort into cleaning it and not looking after it a bit more, keeping it shiny, so I'm just going to use some clear lacquer, so hopefully it might last a bit longer with a bit of more shine. I think I'm getting quite used to wearing this pinny now. To be honest, it's quite good. It's still drying, so it's time to clean the bolt now. Get that nice and shiny. That'll make it easier for the thread lock to hold on to the bolt. Time for another coat. So in total now, this has had 3 coats of lacquer. Now it's time to remove the tape I put inside. It's nice and clean, make sure that is not touching. This is going to be the most dangerous part for me anyway. getting this magnet off this vise. Not going to be easy. You must always be careful with this because it is dangerous if it traps your fingers. See what I mean? Wasn't looking, and that's what happens. Is I've attached the spanner to the back. I'm going to try and feed it through the back, keeping my fingers out the way of the entrance. Next we need to open the clamp. And in she goes. Must always make sure the magnet is actually inside the clamp. That's how my magnet got damaged, because it wasn't. It was poking a little outside the clamp. Once we're happy it's smooth inside the edges, it's time to do the bolt. So you just want some thread lock and your bolt, and just make sure you get a little bit on. I like to put a little bit around everywhere and then let it find its own way. And screw the bolt in nice and tight. On your fingers again. Making sure we nip the bolt without breaking the clamp or the bolt. There we go. Right, I'll have to wait now for this to dry overnight before using it in the water, so hopefully you'll get to see that in our next video. Remember that this magnet can be very dangerous if not treated properly. It will trap or pinch fingers and skin, and believe me, it hurts. You can see in the video how many times it's taken me unaware, but luckily I've kept my fingers out all the time. Great news, we have just passed 100 subscribers, and Online Magnets has given us 2 magnets to give away. Details will be in the next video of how to enter this free competition, but unfortunately will be only for UK residents due to post. I'd like to thank Online Magnets for sending us the 2 magnets to give away, which is great because obviously people love a free magnet, and I will include their details in the comment section below, and also a code, which is our code, which we don't make any commission off whatsoever, but Boston 10 will knock off 10% off your order. Well, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If so, then please hit that like button, and if you want to be notified of new videos uploaded, remember to click that little bell in the corner and make sure you are subscribed. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.